everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and very delicious vegetarian recipe, and I'm going to make French beans. 1 pound French beans, 1 pound paneer, 1 onion, 2 teaspoon ginger, 1 green chili, 1 tomato, spices for masala dabba, olive oil for tadka. I washed it and drained the water. And this is what I wanted to share with you when we're going to cut the beans. This is the tip. You can cut it into big pieces. They will taste well. If you cut them in really small, tiny pieces, then they will taste more delicious. Why I'm saying it? They become more crispier and crunchier. If you haven't tried this way, then please try this method. Try to cut as small as possible. So this is what we're looking at, like this, real tiny pieces. I'm going to finish up cutting this, then I'll cut the paneer also into small cubes. French bean cut into nice tiny pieces. As for the cheese, please cut into smaller pieces, then it will taste better. And let's go to our gas and start cooking a delicious vegetarian recipe. Get a fry pan and start gas. Add olive oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, jeera. Cook for 10 seconds and this is good enough. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep mixing, keep moving, and keep cooking. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Add ginger and green chili. Mix it well. Another 2 minutes of cooking. Ginger, green chili with onions. I'll add tomatoes. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, bring the gas to medium, spread it evenly, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. With the covered lid, cooking for 3 minutes, mix it well. Tomatoes are nicely tender. I'll bring all the spices. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and garam masala, 1 teaspoon. Mix it well, and we're going to cook the spices along with tadka for half a minute. Cooking spices with the tadka for a half minute, add paneer. Mix it well. Once the tadka is nicely combined with the paneer, I'll add French beans. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, on medium gas, cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 3 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 3 minutes, I'm going to open it. Mix it well. After mixing it well, spread it evenly. Bring your gas to low, which is simmer. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes. Cooking for exactly 10 minutes, and after 5 minutes I did open it and I stirred it once, and now I'm going to open it again. Now bring the gas to high and mix it well. We'll cook it for 1 minute. The oil starts to ooze out. Our dish is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas. I have my serving karai ready, and I'm going to dish out. Look at how delicious the vegetable French bean with paneer. Let me share with you. Very easy recipe, vegetarian dish. French beans with the paneer. It's very tasty and very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.